I'm Scott Jasper, and we're here at the Houston Woods Pioneer Farm near Oxford, Ohio, and we're going to demonstrate harvesting some wheat today. We planted this wheat in October last year, and I'm using a hand sickle. And the wealthier farmers would use a scythe, which is easier on your back, and you can do more work per hour. First we would grab a handful of wheat and then chop it off with the sickle, and then lay it in organized piles. Then someone would come along and tie it together with like a blade of tall grass, and make the sheath. Cutting it when it's a little bit green is good because the seeds stay in the heads without shattering out. And then they would make a teepee-like structure with the sheaves to make a stook, or sometimes called a shock, with maybe 20 sheaves, and that would cure in the field for another couple weeks before it's then brought to the barn on wagons or just carried on the shoulders of the people. Then on threshing day, these would be laid on the floor of the barn, and the doors opened up so that the wind blows through, and the sheaves would be flailed with a flail, or threshed with a flail, knocking the seeds out. And then all the seeds and chaff would be gathered together and shoveled up into the air and allow the wind to carry away the chaff. And that would be done on the floor of the barn. And so that could be done periodically through the winter to feed the livestock or to provide wheat for bread.